Hi guys, welcome to Creative Bloom again, and today we're going to be doing the cat course again. So last time we did the manga cat excited, so today we're going to do the manga cat confused. Yeah, and this is how we're going to draw it. So yeah, and now let's begin. So go get ahead, go get your paper, pencil, and eraser and whatever else you need, because today we're going to draw the cutest cat I've ever seen. So we're gonna start with the line, and we're gonna be doing we're only doing the guidelines right now. So I don't want you guys to go whole on dark, because then if you guys want, you have to erase it later. So now we're gonna do this. Remember, you can pause the video if I'm going too fast. I feel like I'm going too fast, but I'll try to slow down. Remember, light pencil pressure only, because if you go too dark, then you're gonna have difficulties on erasing the drawing. I mean, like the guidelines when you like have the main part. So we're making the body now. That's just a little pause. You can always get creative and draw something in your mind. Like you can add maybe give it a bag, or you can guys draw a bag and like here on the side. Now guys, we're gonna go dark, because now we're drawing the main cat. Remember, don't erase the guidelines right now, because we're still drawing. So now let's go color in the eye. Let's color that eye, and now let's color this eye. We're coloring that eye, and now let's go make this. The nose and the mouth. Look how I made the mouth different from the drawing that's shown in the side. So now we're gonna go over our ears. Remember, you guys are allowed to pause the video going too fast, because YouTube gives you that type of feature. Because I think I'm going too fast. I'll go make over the tail. I made my cat tail a little big, and now we're doing the whiskers. And now the cat hair inside the ears. We're gonna use a little light pencil pressure for the inside hairs, because it's inside the ear, not outside. This gives like the fuzzy texture to the cat. You're welcome to color it, but right now we're only sketching and shading it. Oh wait, I'm done with that. Okay, so now we're doing the cat's patterns on the head. I love cat patterns, so I'm gonna draw one here. We have this triangle thing here, coloring that. So now this is our confused cat, and yes, we are done with it. That was a really easy method. Now you can go ahead and like erase this. You're welcome to. Let me just fix this. I don't want my sketchbook to be bad. So this is it, and this is our manga confused cat. So We have 11 lessons to go, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for the free love boo boo. You guys, someone might will remember to subscribe. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.